Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Live Translate on your Samsung S24 Ultra. So with Live Translate, you get a real-time translation during calls. So you can do this by tapping on the Call Assist button, then select the Live Translate on the in-call screen anytime to start translating. All the data for this feature is processed on your phone, so nothing goes out of it. So let me show you how you can enable this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the phone app. Next, you want to make sure you're on keypad. Then you want to tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on Settings. Now from here, you want to find Live Translate, and you want to go ahead and enable this feature. Now down below here, you can choose a language, you can choose a voice. You can also choose if you want to mute your voice or not. For the other person, you can choose language, the voice, and if you want to mute the person, you can choose all your languages. You can also set what other apps you want Live Translate to work in. And there you go guys, that's how to enable Live Translate on your Samsung S24 Ultra.